Meaning of entomology.
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 Entomology. Entomology is the study of insects, including their biology, behavior, ecology, and classification. It encompasses a wide range of scientific disciplines, including genetics, physiology, morphology, and ecology. Entomologists use a variety of techniques to collect and study insects, and their research has important applications in agriculture, public health, and conservation. They may work in a variety of settings, including universities, government agencies, and private industry. Overall, entomology plays a crucial role in our understanding of the complex and fascinating world of insects and their interactions with the environment.